Like when you see these photos or cartoons, you can see she is dancing, she is sleeping, she is sewing, he fell down, he is jumping, he is playing with a toy. So you can say he or she if it is a boy or a girl. So you can make out she is a girl, she is a girl. So she is writing on a paper, he is eating a jelly, like that you can say. Now, how can we say that he fell down? How can we not say he is sitting? We can make out from his expressions. Look at his expressions. He fell down. Now how can we say he is jumping? Because you see his one leg is in the air and his hands are also swinging. So he is jumping. Okay? Now here is also two different things, walking and standing. She is standing in one place, he is walking. Okay? Now, one more thing, difference between sleeping and lying down. Sleeping and lying down. She is sleeping, he is lying down. He is not sleeping. See, his eyes are open and he is thinking. So there is a difference between sleeping and lying down. Okay? Similarly, he is running, he is walking. There is difference between running and walking. Okay? So you can make out from the cartoons, one is running and one is walking. Same ways, standing and walking. So these three are different images or different activities. Okay? Now you can see she is laughing and he is crying. She is laughing, he is crying. Okay? Now other difference is reading and writing. Every day we do, right? Homework, reading and writing. She is writing on a paper. She is writing on a paper and he is reading book. Okay, the book is open and he is looking at it, means he is reading in his mind. She is writing on the paper.